Today and yesterday we've been working on our pool. Hard water out here in the desert. And we had these lines all around the pool. And this is the result after we got rid of these lines. We're working on it. And what we're doing is using pumice stone and elbow grease. And so you can see, like, I'm skimming what we're doing together, like the hard water just builds up so thick. It's crazy. I wish I would have did a video of the whole thing. You can see we still got a ways to go. All that white. Look at all that. But the result, and we had a line on our beach. And we got, Amanda got that off, and I've been working on these tiles. But look at the result. Now the grout, it's tough to get some of that out. We're gonna still continue to maintain it better. I just learned about this pumice stone thing. But look at it. This was all white line around the whole pool, really thick. So if you had this issue, pumice stone.